Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to crop PDF file using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is an all-in-one PDF solution that makes it simple to edit, convert, and manage your PDF files. It is available for both Windows and Mac. One of its many powerful features is Crop PDF, which allows you to efficiently adjust page sizes and customize margins for a cleaner, more professional presentation, all in just a few clicks. To explore its features, download the software using the link in the description below. After downloading and installing it, launch the software, and you will arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use the Windows File Explorer to locate the file you want to work on. Click Open to display the document in the software. As you can see, this interface offers several tools and settings to work on your document. However, we won't be going through all of them in this video. For this tutorial, I will simply locate and open the Page tab and then click on Crop Page. This brings me to a new view where I can see a single page. From here, I can use the handlers that appear to resize the area of the page I want to crop. Alternatively, I can use the crop settings, which offer more controls and precise measurements for cropping the page. As you can see, you can control the margin crop size in centimeters, millimeters, inches, or pixels. There's also an important feature that allows you to maintain the page's aspect ratio. If you check this box, the page's height to width ratio will remain the same before and after cropping. Additionally, there is a range option. You can choose to apply the crop to all pages, only odd or even pages, or a specific custom range. Once you have selected your settings, click on Save Settings. If everything looks good, click on Apply and the document will be cropped. To save the final version, go to Save in the top left corner of the interface and click to save the document to your computer. And that's how you can quickly and easily crop PDF documents using Tenorshare PDNob. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.